Addicted to the cube. Okay, that's gonna be a blooper. Annoying to tutorial. We're gonna do Hasselbeck potatoes. If you don't know, can't see, I've already done some slicing on them. So I will do a quick little version here of one, and then I'm going to do like a bunch of others. I won't show you that. You can do them yourself. Annoying. Just bear with me. Okay. I have actually a nut cracker. You know, cracks nuts, depending on what nuts you want it to crack. I just put it down, slice them. You know, I do 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch thick. Go down. You want to leave the bottom on. If you don't leave the bottom on, that's your fault. You want it to stick together. I like it to stick together. You don't have to let it stick together. But we're going to do this. We're going to brush them with a butter and garlic salt, a little bit of oil, olive oil or avocado oil. I'm going to put a little bit of Italian dressing in it. We're going to wrap them up in foil. You don't have to, but I am. And then we're going to cook them. I don't know, say 350 for an hour, maybe 400 for an hour. I don't know. You can figure your time out. I'm probably going to do 350 for an hour, wrapped in foil. Then I'm going to pull them out of the foil and do them for probably another 25 minutes out of the foil. And then we'll get to that stage when that stage happens. But I got a bunch of these to do. As you can see, it's cut, it's fanned out. I'm going to do more, and then we're going to get to cooking. So, music time. Good enough. Hey, zesty Italian Hasselbeck potatoes. Okay, potatoes are sliced. Put whatever you want on it. I like Italian dressing, so I'm gonna put some of that in there. That's just gonna start. I got a bad glare. Oh well, who cares? Not me. Neither should you. Trying to open this up, bear with me. Oh, got it. Butter. Liquid, because I said so. And we're just gonna, maybe, it's not coming out. Oh, there we go. All right, that's enough. Probably put more, I don't know. Yummy. Up to you. That will definitely, where's it at? We're just soaking these in the foil, so it's going to be good when it's done. Trust me. If you don't trust me, don't do it. Do what you want. But I'm doing my way. Garlic salt. Whatever. Lowry's. Lowry's. Yep, Lowry's. Garlic salt. Okay. I'm going to fold these up, throw them in the oven. When they're done baking, like I said, an hour, pull them out. Just put them on a sheet pan as they are, let them kind of crisp up. Another 30 minutes. Now, I don't know how you wrap your potatoes, but that's how I do mine. Do it your way. Now, some of you may want a sharp knife to slice your potatoes, but I think if you're not smart and you don't know how to handle a knife, you need a dull knife. Dull knives are great. How do you potato? Whenever you decide the potatoes are done, they're done. Now, Hasselbeck, you can have cheese on it, because that's what people want, is cheese. Or you could have this. When it's all said and done, after you cooked it to whatever temperature you want, not what I want, what you want, because I don't care what you cook it to. You get the Hasselbeck potato. That's my toppings. That's burn ends. I just kind of pulled them apart. Sour cream, shredded cheese, jalapenos. A little bit of barbecue sauce mixed in with the burn ends. I don't care what you think. That's what I want. It's good. You do what you want, because it'll be good.